Roaring is a dimensional prayer. It's not a prayer of humans. It's not a prayer. It's not carnal prayer. Roaring is something that will unlock or lock the gates of Hades. That's why Pastor John says, how many gates have you closed? Ilang gates na ba? Kasi sabi ni Jesus, the unchurched na i-establish niya that even the gates of Hades, the gates of hell, cannot prevail. So ibig sabihin, kung talagang church talaga tayo yung ecclesia, then we should be closing doors of hell. We are the lion. We are the roaring lions. Established in the houses. Oh, I'm telling you, established in the houses and with the faithful saints. This is future. Wala nakakaintindi. I've read Strong Concordance. I've read Life Concordance. Walang nakakaintindi. But the Spirit illuminated it early this morning into my heart that this is you. This is you. This is all of us. This is what God is promising to us. Despite of our wickedness, despite of our unfaithfulness, despite sa mga nagagawa natin, compromises, yet God extends His compassion. Because He sees that we can be established. We are like the roaring lion. Yes, ibang churches, di ba sabi, Ephraim, people of God din yan. Ephraim, full of lies. Israel, the people, the chosen, they malign me. Pero sabi niya, buti nga lang may Judah. Buti nga lang may TGFM.